how to make birthday video with pictures and music in Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram and make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now tap on this option of your story. Your gallery will open up. Now select the picture that you want to add in the video. Here I'm gonna select this one picture. Now just fix the position of this picture in this way and tap on the sticker kind of icon. Select this one option of pictures and from here select another picture to add in your video. Here I'm gonna select this one. Again fix the position of this picture and again tap on this one icon. Again select the picture that you want to add in the video. Here I'm gonna select this one. Fix the position for this picture. And I am done with the photos. Now what you can do is add a music. For that, tap on this one icon. Tap on cancel. Now over here you will find the option of music. Tap on it. Now at the top you can see that search bar. You can just type in their birthday songs. And over here you will get tons of options. From here you can select any of the birthday music that is suitable for you. After you select the song, over here you will get different templates. If you want to, then you can set these templates as well. Here I'm gonna select this one. Likewise also you can tap on this option and select the clip duration. After you do that you can tap on done. Now tap on the sticker kind of icon. If you want to add some stickers, gifts or avatar, you can search for it by tapping on the search bar at the top. Type in their birthday. Now over here you're gonna get lots of options of gifts, avatars, emojis. You can choose any of these to add in your video. I have selected this one avatar and I'm gonna fix the position. And now you are good to go. Now all you have to do is tap on the option of your story to upload it. It's in the process to be uploaded. This is how you can easily make birthday video with pictures and music on Instagram. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.